That's hot.
Oh dear God.
That's not bad. Suck it up. That's pretty.
Look at Jacob's face.
Holy my God.
Don't drink water, you moron.
What?
Oh, that's hot.
You didn't finish your pepper, Jake.
Yeah, you got better than half of it there yet.
You're fine, dude. I'm not.
Hello?
You drink water. You're not supposed to drink water. It spreads it.
Yeah, I know.
It's a little moldy up top. That's why.
Well,
I'll get over it.
hurt, Jake.
Probably eaten mold
brownie, too.
before.
Oh,
How are you?
Oh my gosh, my ears
Hot?
are like.
your ears.
No, we're just finishing up. Jacob and
Yeah, I can see you, dude. Even if you don't lean over. Excuse me.
No,
You're not eating your brownie?
I'm not, actually.
you know,
You.
Well, I want to enjoy the whole
Justin just
snot
decided
coming
to eat a habanero.
out. No,
You about to die, Jake? Because your face is pretty dang red.
you can eat one of those. They're not that bad. What?
This is flipping great. I love it.
Relatively hot.
Wow, my nose is running. Hey, wait a minute.
Sugar does not make it better. It's not sugar soluble.
Oh, come on.
No, I'm kidding. It does.
He's like, really dig it. Let me put some habanero sauce on that for you.
My eardrum is burning.
Both of them.
Your eardrum?
My eardrum.
Take your ear. That would explain the blood seeping out.
Don't.
Ew, I totally got that on camera. That's so disgusting.
Oh God.
What the hell just happened?
He spit it out his nose and the pepper went in his nose.
Jacob made Jacob laugh with his mouth full of half and half, trying to kill the heat of the habanero, and he blew out his nose. Yeah, it's gonna burn him.
That's your tube stuff right there.
Fail.
It's still in your nose, dude. Ew, that's gross. That's so disgusting. That is so nasty, dude.
You just had to fail.
That is your tube right there.
It's still in your nose. It's like running out your nose.
Things going up.
I want to blow my nose.
Only
You don't
once.
want it to sit in there.
You just, ew, it's right. It's dripping down your nose and now it's going into your mouth with the milk. That's nasty, dude.
I really need to watch this.
Oh, really?
Can we put this on YouTube?
Yes.
Maybe. Yeah, sure.
Maybe. Yeah, sure.
So, take it into somebody?
Your nose still has a little white stuff coming out of it there,
It's over
bud.
the edge of my lip and now my
Yeah, it's
face
like-
is melting.
Hey, what were you laughing at when I said your ears are bleeding? Or?
Deborah said something.
About blood seeping out or something.
No, Deborah said something. What'd you say?
We'll watch it
I don't even know
eventually.
what she
Just
said.
That had to hurt, man.
Still hurts.
that's what she said.
My mouth hurts more than anything right now. Like melting.
I have
good.
no idea what I said.
No, it's really weird,
In
dude.
the respect that it's
When you ate
not
that,
determined.
did it just like dissolve?
No.
No, that's why he's crying.
It does for a couple seconds and then
No,
like,
no, the brownie just like dissolved.
yeah, pretty much is what it feels like.
I'm not fucking.
No, it's like,
It melted.
no, it really does too.
Wow.
Okay, this is how weird our family is.
That was hilarious.
We
It
got,
wasn't all that bad.
Our family is extremely strange. I promise.
One's enough.
How you doing,
I want
Jakey?
another brownie.
Bye.